The Public Safety Committee was tasked by our mayor with developing a plan for the allocation of $26 million in federal ARPA funds dedicated to mental health. Let's be clear about what that means. The funds are to be used for rescue and recovery from the effects of the pandemic on our community's mental health. The committee's work included the definition of outcomes, and we laid out how those outcomes will be measured. The plan outlines programs and strategies that will address those impacted. By far, even though $26 million is a lot of money, when it comes to mental health, I think it's really just a beginning. And so to say that we're addressing those impacted, I want to be clear that we're addressing as many as we can. To put it another way, the committee discussed what rescue would look like. There's no doubt the pandemic's effect on mental health is a public safety concern. Public safety is more than police and fire, although those are important. Public safety is also defined as what our community needs to feel safe. As stewards of public safety, we cannot simply react to crisis. We need to look at the causes of emergencies before services are needed. And we need to consider the care and treatment needed after an emergency call is placed. Our guiding principle, our goal, was to plan a rescue and make the best use of these funds available to do it. But it had to be done in a way that allows for long-term sustainability, that leads to new or existing mental health strategies and programs. We had community involvement in our conversation. We heard some of that today. And we used this opportunity to lift our conversation above the stigma that is associated with mental health disorders. This is a plan that I'm proud of and one I feel will keep the focus on mental health. Seeing organizations like the Youth Center of Texas, Freed Texas here today, remind me, like Ms. Walker said this morning, this is a time of healing. This plan supports healing. And to hear the support of Ms. Tosin's organization, Mr. Beach here from NAMI, and SA Clubhouse shows me that we got it right. This conversation is not over. It's the beginning of what we as a city need to do to keep our citizens safe. Thanks to all the organizations who gave us their feedback and valuable input, some of those whom are here today. Thanks to Maria Villagomez for your hard work and dedication to this issue. I know you spent a lot of stressful late nights on this, and I do appreciate that. Thanks to our fellow committee members, council members McKee Rodriguez, Villagran, Sandoval, and Perry for your thoughtfulness and your dedication. And with that, I already moved, so we're good. I moved to approve the item. Thank you.
Thank you, Councilmember Cabello Havrda. Councilmember McKee Rodriguez.